Hey everyone, welcome to Entrepreneurs Cyberspace Guide. I'm Andre.
I am John Milvin Anyoramiprano, and this is where we help entrepreneurs thrive online safety, smartly, and ethically. So today's topic, we elaborate and discuss all about the cybersecurity essentials.
Joining us, Mr. Lonyo, a cybersecurity advisor who works and startup with Income's brands. Mr. Lonyo.
Good day, sir. Good day.
Welcome to the studio.
Welcome to the studio.
Thank you. Great to be here.
So, Mr. Lonyo, can you elaborate the topic for today?
The topic, okay. Cybersecurity often get overlooked, especially in small business, but it's a must.
So let's jump in the full topic or full discussion. So this is a question from one of our subscriber. So there's the question. What's the number one thing entrepreneurs should be doing?
Start with strong password hygiene and two factors authentication. Use a password manager. Stop using the same login everywhere.
Yes, as charged. What about network safety?
Use a virtual private network or VPN. If you work remotely, avoid public Wi-Fi for business transactions. Also, keep devices updated. Those updates fix security flaws.
And backups.
Absolutely. Backup important files regularly, locally, and on the cloud. Ransomware attacks are real.
How can someone spot phishing scam?
Watch for suspicious emails with urgent requests or unknown links. Check sender addresses. If it feels off, it probably is.
Okay, it's a good idea. So this is a final. So do you have one last quick tip to end this topic?
Wait a minute. Cybersecurity isn't one big fix. It's small habits consistently applied.
Okay, it's a good idea, Mr. Good tip, Mr. Lonyo.
Thanks to be here.
So, thanks to be here. So today we end this topic about the cybersecurity essentials. See you on next episode. But Mr. Lonyo also our guest in the next topic, the data privacy and customer trust. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.